Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change the AirPods in your BANG OLUFSEN Beoplay H95 headphones. So, in these headphones we have some cool feature. Here we just have to pull the ear tip. Ear looks like as actually earphone, but we can just hold on here, hold it here and pull it. It's, as you can see, just a magnet. I don't really have to use a force. It comes easily. You can try it yourself because it's easy. You won't break anything, I promise. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.